Peacocks, the majestic birds of South Asia. Peacocks, known for their vibrant plumage and graceful display, are among the most beautiful birds in the world. They belong to the pheasant family, Phasianidae, and are primarily found in South Asia. The term peacock technically refers to males, while females are called peahens, and collectively, they are known as peafowl. Physical characteristics. The most striking feature of the peacock is its extravagant tail feathers, or train, which it fans out in a stunning display during courtship rituals. These feathers are iridescent, with eye-like spots in shades of blue, green, and gold. The train can be more than 1.5 meters, 5 feet long, and makes up about 60% of the bird's total body length. The peahen, on the other hand, has more subdued brown and gray feathers, which provide camouflage. Peacocks have a crest on top of their heads and a strong, sharp beak. Their legs are relatively short and stout, with sharp spurs used for defense and fighting. Adult males typically weigh around 4 to 6 kilograms, 8.8 to 13.2 pounds, and can reach up to 2.3 meters, 7.5 feet in length, including their tail feathers. Females are smaller, weighing between 2.75 to 4 kilograms, 6 to 8.8 pounds. Habitat and distribution. Peacocks are native to the forests and grasslands of South Asia, including India, Sri Lanka, and Myanmar. They prefer areas with access to water, plenty of cover from trees and shrubs, and open spaces for displaying their feathers. While they are capable of flight, peacocks are more often seen on the ground, foraging for food. Diet and feeding habits. Peafowl are omnivores, and their diet includes a variety of foods: insects, grasshoppers, ants, and other small invertebrates, plants, seeds, berries, and leaves. Small animals, frogs, small snakes, and lizards. They forage by scratching the ground with their feet and pecking at food items with their beaks. Peacocks are also known to feed on agricultural crops, which sometimes brings them into conflict with farmers. Reproduction and life cycle. Peacocks are polygamous, and males attract multiple females through their elaborate courtship displays. During the breeding season, which typically occurs during the monsoon season, males gather in areas known as leks to display their plumage and call to potential mates. Courtship display. The male peacock fans out its train, struts, and shakes its feathers to create a shimmering effect, while also making loud, piercing calls. Mating. Once a female is attracted, she will choose a mate based on the quality of his display. Nesting. Peahens lay 3 to 5 eggs in a simple nest on the ground, hidden in dense vegetation. Incubation and rearing. The female incubates the eggs for about 28 days and cares for the chicks after they hatch. The chicks are precocial, meaning they are relatively mature and mobile shortly after hatching. Conservation status. The Indian peafowl, Pavo cristatus, is the most well-known species and is listed as least concern by the IUCN due to its large and stable population. However, habitat loss, hunting, and human-wildlife conflict pose threats to some local populations. Cultural significance. Peacocks hold significant cultural and symbolic value in many societies, particularly in South Asia. In Hindu mythology, the peacock is associated with various deities, including Saraswati, the goddess of wisdom, and Kartikeya, the god of war. The bird is also a national symbol of India, representing grace, beauty, and elegance. Conclusion. Peacocks are remarkable birds renowned for their stunning beauty and elaborate courtship displays. Native to South Asia, they thrive in a variety of habitats and play an important role in local ecosystems and cultures. Conservation efforts are essential to ensure that these majestic birds continue to grace the landscapes and cultural heritage of their native regions.